We'll try and do a mostly beginner warm-up. Let's start with clockwise, same time hip reels, or together time hip reels, and then bring it up into the together time pinwheel, and then split time, and then make it big 3 times, 1 and 2 and 3. Now on the 4th time, when you make it big, turn left 360 degrees, come back around into the pinwheel, and we're going to do that again. So extension 1, extension 2, extension 3, and now on the 4th one, we're going to turn to the left, go 360, come all the way back around, back into the pinwheel, come down on the right into overhand weave, and then we're going to turn left to underhand weave, turn right to overhand weave, turn left to underhand weave, extension over the top, back to overhand weave, double stall, back behind, come into underhand, turn left to overhand, turn right to underhand, turn left to overhand, turn right to underhand, extension back to overhand on the left, and extension left, extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left, extension right. Now turn right to underhand weave, and extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left. One more time right, one more time left, back to underhand weave, turn left, come up to pinwheel, bring it down to hip reel, and stall your right poi out, come into underhand butterfly, take out left, take out right, take out left, take out right, bring it up, take out left, up and out right, and left up, and right up, and both up, extension, come down, both up, extension, come down, both up, extension, come down, underhand butterfly, and opposite hip reel. And we're going to stick the right foot out, tap the right poi on the right foot, turn left into overhand weave. And then just to practice that a couple times, we're going to turn right, stall the right poi to the right side, and come into underhand butterfly, back to the hip reel, and we'll stick the right foot out, tap the right poi on the right foot, turn left, overhand weave, turn right, stall the right poi, come into underhand butterfly, and hip reel again. And one more time, stick the right foot out, tap, turn left hand or left side, overhand weave, and open your legs, stall the right poi between your legs, turn to the right, come into underhand butterfly, right takeout, turn to overhand butterfly, right takeout, come to underhand butterfly, left takeout, turn to overhand butterfly, left takeout to underhand butterfly. Okay, so we'll do the right turn 360, right out, turn to overhand, right out, turn to underhand, left 360, left out to overhand, left out to underhand, and repeat, going right again, right to overhand, right out to underhand, and left out to overhand, and left out to underhand. And one more time, we'll do the 360 each way, right then left, and 5, 6, 7, 8, right out to overhand, right out to underhand, left out to overhand, left out to underhand, back to the hip reel. Tap the right foot, so stick it out, tap it, turn left, overhand weave, turn right to underhand weave, up to the pinwheel. We're going to turn left into overhand and giant and overhand, swivel to the right to underhand, swivel to the left to overhand, swivel to the right to underhand, and now stay facing front, counterclockwise swivel. And next time, turn right 360 all the way around, back to the front and up to pinwheel. Then bring the point into together time, and bring it down, stall to the right, up and out, and step and stall left, up, out, step and stall right, up, out, step, stall left, up, out, step, stall right. And one more time, up to the pinwheel, split time. And here we go, extension. Now turn right to the overhand giant, and turn left to the underhand giant, and turn right to the overhand giant, and turn left to the underhand giant. And here we go, face front, swivel clockwise, back and forth, right side, left side, right side, left side, front and back. And now turning left 360, come back and bring it up into the pinwheel. Let's take it from the underhand opposite, same time hip reel. And we're going to do the tap on the right foot, so stick the right foot out, tap, turn left to overhand weave, sorry. And then we're going to turn right, come up into pinwheel, and then make it big. And now we're going to turn left into giant, swivel to the right into underhand giant, swivel left to overhand, swivel right to underhand, swivel left to overhand, and now face the front and do the counterclockwise, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Now this next time, turn right 360, come all the way around, and back up to pinwheel. Now same time, together time, and stall right, up and out, step, stall left, up and out, step, stall right, up and step, out, stall left, and one more time to the right, bring it up into clockwise, split the timing, make it big, turn right into overhand giants, swivel left to underhand giants, swivel right to overhand, swivel left to underhand, and face the front and clockwise, swiveling back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and now turn left 360 all the way around up into pinwheel. So we're going to start in underhand opposite hip roll, and we're going to tap the right foot, stick it out, tap, turn left, overhand weave, and then we're going to come up to pinwheel, make it big, and then turn left to the giant, and pivot to the right, and pivot to the left, and pivot to the right, and one more time left, and now we're going to swivel back and forth, facing the front in the counterclockwise, and now this next time with the right, turn all the way 360, come back up into the pinwheel, go into together time, down and stall and step, and then down and stall and step left, and then to the right, down and stall and step, and then down to the stall and step to the left, and one more time to the right, bring it up into clockwise, split the time, make it big. Now we're going to turn right, go into the giant, and pivot left to the underhand, pivot right to the overhand, pivot left, pivot right, last time left, and now swivel. And this next time, turn left 360, come back up into the pinwheel. Good. Moving on, moving right into the overhand weave, and stall your right hand, turn left into overhand butterfly, and now we're going to up and over, up and over, up and over. Now big and up, big and up, big and up. 2 takeouts to the right as you step right, and 2 takeouts left as you step left, and to the right again, and to the left again. And now we're going to go up to the right as we step right, and then up to the left as we step left, and repeating on the right side, and repeating on the left side. And now we'll break it down so it's right side, right up, and then left side, left up, right side, right up, and left side, and left up, and both up, both up, both up, and now big, up, behind the head. Now we're going to do a combo we used to do. Take out with the right, turn and tap, stall underneath, come back to the butterfly, and then to the left side, take out, turn and tap, stall underneath, come back to the butterfly, again to the right, turn and tap, stall, butterfly to the left, tap, stall, butterfly, last time right, tap, stall, butterfly, and to the left, tap, stall, butterfly, and angel, 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 big to angel, double stall out, back into the hip reel, and then step your right leg forward, stall your right poi underneath, turn left, overhand weave, and left 360, back into the overhand weave, now right 360, back into the overhand weave, turn right, up into the pinwheel, and then pinwheel lockout, back to pinwheel, lockout, back to pinwheel, lockout, turn left to overhand weave, lockout, left side, and right side, and left side. Now right side, turn back up to the pinwheel, and lockout, and pinwheel, and lockout, pinwheel, and lockout, turn right to underhand weave, right side, and left side lockout, and right side lockout, and left side lockout. One more time right, now turn left, back up to the pinwheel, and then bring it down into the corkscrew, turning left, and then turning right, and then tap, up, around, and down, tap, up, around, and down, tap, up, around, and down, and now add a turn, down and tap, up, around, down and tap, up, around, down and tap, and add the jump if you want as you're turning, and then up to the corkscrew in clockwise, bring it up, and come into the overhand weave on the right, and turn right to underhand, and drop stall over your shoulder, and done. Woo! Okay. So this is your giant. And in fact, I won't even keep the poi in my right hand so that you can just focus on my left hand. So as I'm doing that, the left hits the bottom. When it hits the bottom, I turn. It's going to come up to the top. I turn. Then it comes around. Then I turn another quarter turn. And then when I get here, instead of continuing the turn, I just come behind the head into my pinwheel, or into the pinwheel or the pinwheel extension. And the right hand will follow, I'm pretty sure. We'll break down one hand at a time. Let's just do your left hand. So your overhand here on the right. Then you turn, and your underhand here on the left. And then you turn back to overhand here. When you do the 360, what happens is it hits the bottom, you step turn, you come over the top, and you're back around at the bottom. Okay? So let's just try the 360 with the left hand. 5, 6, 7, and turn. Bottom, top, bottom. And now you're back into overhand. Okay, let's do it again. So we'll do it 3 more times. And 5, 6, 7, bottom, top, bottom, and 5, 6, 7, and go. Bottom, top, bottom, and 5, and 6, and 7, and last time, bottom, top, bottom. Okay, let's do the same thing with the right hand. With the right hand, though, you're going top, bottom, top. So it'll be the same thing. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, and top, bottom, top. And so let's do the right hand again. This time with the right hand, it's going to be top, bottom, top. So 5, 6, 7, and go. Top, bottom, top, and 5, 6, 7, and top, bottom, top, and last one, 5, 6, 7, and go. Top, bottom, top, and let's try. So if you're right-handed, I would focus on your left hand, and the point where you take off is when the left is on bottom. Your right hand will follow. Promise. It may not follow well, though. So here we go. So we're doing the giant when the left is on the bottom, so it would be here, and 5, 6, 7, and go all the way around, and 5, and 6, and 7, and here we go, and around 5, 6, 7, and here we go, go. Last time, 5, 6, 7, and here we go, all the way around. This is the connection from the clockwise swivel 360 into the pinwheel. And it's when the left hand is on the bottom of the turn as you're going into the 360, then you come around and up and in.